Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, and welcome back to my channel Learn English with Ahad. My name is Adam, your personal English teacher. So, dears across the globe today, I am picking 7 advanced words which will help you to expand your vocabulary and also help you to impress native English speakers when they hear you. And these are the words that native English speaker uses the most in their daily life conversation. And if you are new to this channel, I give a warm welcome you to this channel. This channel is all about to help you speak English with clarity and confidently with weekly video resources. And don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Okay, dear viewers, now let's get started. So now let's start with our first advanced word. It is idle. Idle. Dear viewers, look at my mouth how I pronounce idle. Idle means lazy, inactive, lazy, inactive. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, now let me take one example of idle. I don't want to put him on a job because he's idle. I don't want to put him on a job because he's idle. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, the next advanced word is accelerate. Accelerate. Dear viewers, look at my mouth how I pronounce accelerate. Accelerate. Accelerate means especially of a vehicle being to move more quickly. Especially of a vehicle being to move more quickly. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, now let me take one example of accelerate. The car accelerated towards her. The car accelerated towards her. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, the next advanced word is tenuous. Tenuous. Dear viewers, you may just look at my mouth how I pronounce it is a difficult word to pronounce. Tenuous. Tenuous. Tenuous means very weak. Very weak. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, now let me take one example of tenuous. The police have only found tenuous connection between the two robberies. The police have only found a tenuous connection between the two robberies. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, the next advanced word is gale. 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 Gale means very strong wind. Very strong wind. Very strong wind. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, now let me take one example of gale. Hundreds of old trees were blown down in the gale. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, the next advanced word is kinship. Kinship. Kinship means blood relationship. Blood relationship. Blood relationship. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, now let me take one example of kinship. He felt a real sense of kinship with his fellow soldier. He felt a real sense of kinship with his fellow soldier. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, the next advanced word is serene. Serene. Such a beautiful word. I love it. Serene. Serene means completely peaceful. Completely peaceful. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, now let me take one example of serene. The weather was serene. I love it. The weather was serene. I love it. Perform after me. Great job. Okay, the next advanced word is kidding. Kidding. Kidding means joking. 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 Perform after me. Great job. Okay, now let me take one example of kidding. I'm just kidding with you. Don't take it serious. I'm just kidding with you. Don't take it serious. Perform for me. So finally we have finished our 7 advanced words. Okay, dear viewers, now let me try one tongue twister that your tongue will be twisted and polished. Then you will be able to talk with your friends in a clear way. Okay, dear viewers, let's get started. So the tongue twister is red blood, blue blood, 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 red blood, blue. Oh, it is a really hard tongue twister. Perform it for me. Great job. So that's it for today. Don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Okay, dears. Now see you in the next video. Goodbye.